Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to log your iPhone to one app. So if at the end of this you found this upon informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to log your iPhone to one app, all you simply need to do is go ahead and open the settings. Scroll down, locate and click on accessibility. Then scroll down the bottom and click on guided access. Then make sure you turn on guided access. Click on passcode settings. Then click on set guided access passcode. Go ahead and type in your guided access passcode. Repeat the passcode again, then exit. Now, to lock your iPhone to a single app, go ahead and open the application you want to lock your iPhone to. Once open the application, the next thing you want to do is go ahead and press the start button 3 times. Then it should say guided access started. Now, you'll not be able to exit this particular application again. So, for you to exit or turn off lock iPhone to one app, locate and press the start button or power button 3 times again. Then it should say guided access is enabled. Tap it 3 times, then go ahead and type your guided access passcode. And then it should say guided access, resume and end. Click on end. And then it should say guided access ended. Guided access enabled. Type in your guided access passcode. And then guided access will be ended. And that's it. So, if you found this upon informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.